Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Creative Tool School. My name is Vincent. What I want to show you is how to download CapCut. CapCut is editing software you can use to edit your video, you can use it to edit pictures or templates. I want to show you how to download CapCut to your window, laptop. So if you go to Microsoft Edge or Google, just type CapCut.com. It will show you this information, CapCut, your PC editor. CapCut Desktop Video Editor. You select the CapCut, take your video to the next level, powerful editing with extensive effects and filters. This is a powerful editing tool, massive effects, powerful search tools, keyframes and graphics, color wheel and auto adjust, where AI power meets professional editing experience. You select download for free and the download is free, or you go on top and select download. You also have web version, video editor for desktop, video editor for mobile, and online creative suite, video background remover, do video stabilization, slow motion video editor, transcript based editing, text to speech, AI voice generator, AI voice changer, auto caption, text editor, add text to video, video effects and filter, sound effects, video transition, custom stickers, AI video generator, AI dubbing, long video to short videos, AI upscaler, AI relight, AI avatar generator, AI sticker generator. So if you want to download CapCut to your PC, what you need to do is you need to select download. And when you select download, you go to the side and open file. Open file. It will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then you select yes. And it's downloading keyframe and keyframe graphics. So it will show you the percentage. Once it's downloaded to your desktop, then you go to your PC desktop to open it from there. But you can also edit your video from the web. CapCut Desktop Installer. It will show you the percentage. So it's currently 95%. You can download this to your mobile phone as well. I have one on my mobile. You can download it to your desktop. You can download it to Mac. You can download it to the PC, just like we are doing now. You can see it's 100%. It's now downloaded, and this is the desktop here. I'm just gonna close it. Close here. So if you want to see it on the desktop, then you go to your desktop. It will be on your desktop. You will see logo, CapCut Desktop. Double click it to open. So double click it to open. Select open. It will open at the bottom of your PC. Select it. This is the desktop here. So you can create projects. I'm using Pro version. So CapCut, you got free version as well, but also you got Pro version. The Pro version give you a lot of tools to use when you are using Pro version. It will also show you home, template, and space. So this is my space. With space, it will show you the videos you have created before, create or join, space, templates. And these are templates. You can use, bring these templates to your timeline and work on it. Edit it. Intro templates, outro templates, and also transition templates, fitness templates, vlog templates, templates for TikTok. You go back to the home. If you want to create a project, then you select create a project. You will see media on the top. You will see menu. It will show you CapCut. Then this is menu. And from the menu, you will see file, edit, layout, more, terms of service, privacy policy, third-party copyright, help or delete account, then settings, back to home page or quit. This is the audio. If you select audio, it will give you audios that are available within the system, but also you can also import your own audio by selecting media. Select import. Then if you want to import audio, then you go and type music or wherever you have the audio. Then you bring the particular audio that you want, then open file. This is the audio we imported. This is a good example how to import file or music or video. We just imported this audio. If you want to import any video, for example, you go to the file, select import, then you go to a gallery, then you select, click it, open. This video now is imported. If you want to work on this video, then you need to bring to this timeline. Now I also want to show you in terms of the features. So from this top, audio, text. If you want to write text on your video, then you select text, then go to the side, you will see add text or AI packaging, yours, text effect, text templates. So if you select text effect, it will show you this is kind of good example of text effect, but you need to edit the particular text effect you want. Let's say if you bring the video to the timeline and want to add a text effect on it, then you select text, then bring this effect on top. So this is the text effect. You can move this text effect to any particular place that you want it. You can position it anywhere. You can adjust it. You can increase the size. You can reduce it. If you want to increase the size, you need to drag it out. If you want to reduce it, bring it closer. Then you can position it any particular place you want it in your video. And if you want to change the text, let's say if you want to write Creative Tools School, delete the information, then you type the information you want to type on it, Creative Tool School. This is how to type text. And this is the text. So we change the text. If you want to change the color as well, then you go down and select the color. You can see the color is now changed to yellow. You can change the color to red or any particular color, blue, green, grayish, black, white. So you can change particular color to any color you prefer. From the text effect, you have option for hits, new, trending. You also have stickers. If you select stickers, it will give you all the various stickers available. You can select any particular one. You can also type the stickers you prefer. Let's say if you want to look for Wi-Fi network, then you type it. It will show you Wi-Fi stickers that you can bring to your timeline. You can use any of these. For example, you can bring it to the timeline. And this is the Wi-Fi sticker. And this one is responsive. So if you play the video, it will show you the sticker playing. So this is how to bring in sticker. You can scale it up. If you go to the right side, you can increase the number to scale it up as well. So by dragging the line for you to scale it. Likewise, you can also scale it by adjusting it. Go to the edge and drag it to increase it in size. Likewise, reduce it. Likewise, if you go to the side, use drop down to decrease it or use up arrow to increase it. This is scale. And also you have effects, transition, captions, filters, adjustments, templates, AI avatar. So these are features. If you go to effects, now if you want to blur the video, for example, go on top and type blur. Select enter. These are blurs features you can use. Just need to bring it to the timeline in case if you want to cover any specific part of your video due to privacy, etc. You can see this is blur. If you select on it, it gives you option for you to adjust it according to your preference. If you want it to be too blurred or if you want it to be light, so you can see the left side is for you to put it very light. If you want it to be deep blurred, then you drag it all the way. This is 100%. You can see, you can't see anything. If you want it to be light, you can also drag it to the left side for it to be minimal or be to the reasonable, so that people can still see in terms of what you are teaching or the video you are providing, example, or the information. But if you don't want people to see the information completely, then you need to move it all the way to 100%. So you just need to drag it. But you need to, first of all, you need to click on the blur. Then before you work on it, you go to the special edition for you to work on it. Now, another thing is transition. This is transition. Transition is for you to, if you want to join two videos together, or if you want to put some character transition in the video, split it up. Now, this video is now splitted into two. You can see one side. Let's say select split, delete. You can see, so this video is splitted. Now that this video is splitted, if you want to join them together with transition, you bring this transition on it where you splitted the video. Once you pass that transition, you will see the character. You can see what's happened. So this is a good example for you to put transition in the video. Just need to split the video, then add any specific transition that you prefer. So add any specific transition that you prefer. And also from this timeline, you also need to select aspect ratio, YouTube video 16:9 aspect ratio. And also if you wanted this to flow, you also adjust it on this side to open up the video so that it will flow smoothly. So this is a good example of things that I want us to learn. You can see the full transition. If you want to remove the transition, right click. Then it will give you option for delete it. You can see the transition is now deleted. The same thing, go right click the mouse. It will show you delete. Then you select delete. So this is how to put transition. Likewise, delete it. Now another thing I want to show you is caption. Select caption. You select generate English or the language English. Then you select generate. And it will start to generate caption. Caption is the word you spoke on the video will be captured in the text so that you can go and move it to any particular place that you want. You can see it's generating the caption. So this is the caption. So this is how to generate the caption. So whatever you are talking about in the video will be showing you. Once you select the language, tell everyone, it will see that it's showing us the caption. This is the word you spoke in the video. It's showing us now caption. Now another thing is this caption, you can move it to any particular place. You can position it to different place, and you can see the caption is at the bottom. Now if you want to change the color of the caption, this is the caption here. Or if you want to adjust or amend the text, if there's error, you can also go back and rewrite it on top here. If you want to change the color of the caption, then you select it, and you can see the color is now highlighting yellow. And another thing is, if you want the caption some area to be on the top, then you select, let's say, this particular caption here. If you don't want the information to be at the bottom, then you remove it, apply to all, remove apply to all on the right side, so that you can move this particular caption, move it to a particular place on the top, so that when you are playing the video, once you get to this point, caption will be highlighting on the top. You can see the caption now highlighting on the top, whereas some of it are at the bottom. These are the things that I want you to be familiar with in terms of how to put the caption and how to adjust it. So this is filter. You can select any particular one, or these are filters you can select. You can select white mate, for example, then you bring it to the timeline. So put a filter on top. You can put filter all the way through your video or particular section. So you can see the filter in this particular section. But if you want it to be all over your video or throughout your video, then you need to drag it from the beginning to the end of your video. Just need to drag it all the way to the end. So then you apply it. Filter is throughout the video. So filter, template. So like I said earlier, these are the templates. You can bring various type of template to your video, then you work on it. A little bit overview. In the next video, we'll go into details in terms of how to export. You select export or how to share it, etc. So, but this is just giving you information how to install CapCut how to apply some of the features that you need when you are editing your video. I hope this helped you. Let me know which area that you want us to cover in great details going forward in my next video. This is how to install CapCut to your PC. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.